Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, and welcome back to another Noorani Qaida lesson. In today's lesson, we will be continuing with our Haraka, which was our Dhamma. And in the previous lesson, we completed this page from here until here. And in today's lesson, we will be continuing on this page with the 3-letter words, inshallah. So let us begin. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alif, Dhamma, U. Ba, Dhamma, Bu. Lam, Dhamma, Lu. U, Bu, Lu. Mim, Dhamma, Mu. Ra, Dhamma, Ru. Dal, Dhamma, Du. Mu, Ru, Du. Jim, Dhamma, Ju. Ra, Dhamma, Ru. Fa, Dhamma, Fu. Ju, Ru, Fu. Sin, Dhamma, Su. Ra, Dhamma, Ru. Fa, Dhamma, Fu. Su, Ru, Fu. Shin, Dhamma, Shu. Kho, Dhamma, Khu. Dal, Dhamma, Du. Shu, Khu, Du. Fa, Dhamma, Fu. Lam, Dhamma, Lu. Mim, Dhamma, Mu. Fu, Lu, Mu. Mim, Dhamma, Mu. Ra, Dhamma, Ru. Dad, Dhamma, Du. Mu, Ru, Du. Za, Dhamma, Zu. Ra, Dhamma, Ru. Fa, Dhamma, Fu. Zu, Ru, Fu. Ra, Dhamma, Ru. Ta, Dhamma, Tu. Tha, Dhamma, Thu. Ru, Tu, Thu. Alif, Dhamma, U. Ba, Dhamma, Bu. Lam, Dhamma, Lu. U, Bu, Lu. Alif, Dhamma, U. Ba, Dhamma, Bu. Lam, Dhamma, Lu. U, Bu, Lu. Mim, Dhamma, Mu. Ra, Dhamma, Ru. Dal, Dhamma, Du. Mu, Ru, Du. Mim, Dhamma, Mu. Ra, Dhamma, Ru. Dal, Dhamma, Du. Mu, Ru, Du. I just want to pause for a few seconds and just point out that also we are learning how letters are joined in this lesson. So as you can see here, we had U, Bu, Lu. We also have U, Bu, Lu over here, but in this one, the lesson is showing us how the ba and the lam is joined. So we're also starting to pick up how words are joined in Arabic, and the same with mu, ru, du. We also have mu, ru, du on this side, but we can see the mim and the ra is joined together, and this is how we become familiar with the letters and recognizing them in the different words, inshallah. So just look out for that one as well. Let us continue. Jim, Dhamma, Ju, Ra, Dhamma, Ru, Fa, Dhamma, Fu, Ju, Ru, Fu. Jim, Dhamma, Ju, Ra, Dhamma, Ru, Fa, Dhamma, Fu, Ju, Ru, Fu. And again here in Jurufu and Jurufu, you will see that the Jim and the Ra, we are now recognizing how these letters are joined. And you will find a few of those in the next few words, inshallah. So please just pay attention to that as well. Sin, Dhamma, Su, Ra, Dhamma, Ru, Fa, Dhamma, Fu, Su, Ru, Fu. Sin, Dhamma, Su, Ra, Dhamma, Ru, Fa, Dhamma, Fu, Su, Ru, Fu. Shin, Dhamma, Shu, Kho, Dhamma, Khu, Dal, Dhamma, Du, Shu, Khu, Du. Shin, Dhamma, Shu, Kho, Dhamma, Khu, Dal, Dhamma, Du, Shu, Khu, Du. Let us also look at this word and how it's joined. We've got Shu, Khu, Du, and you can see the bottom part of the Kho and the bottom part of the Shin is still here. So once it's joined in a word, these pieces actually fall away. So as we read more and practice more, we'll begin to recognize these changes in the letters, inshallah. Fa, Dhamma, Fu, Lam, Dhamma, Lu, Mim, Dhamma, Mu, Fu, Lu, Mu. Fa, Dhamma, Fu, Lam, Dhamma, Lu, Mim, Dhamma, Mu, Fu, Lu, Mu. Mim, Dhamma, Mu, Ra, Dhamma, Ru, Dad, Dhamma, Du, Mu, Ru, Du. Mim, Dhamma, Mu, Ra, Dhamma, Ru, Dad, Dhamma, Du, Mu, Ru, Du. Alhamdulillah, and well done on completing this lesson with the Dhamma. In the next lesson, we will continue with the Jazm or the Sukoon, as some people know it, which is this symbol over here. It looks like a little half moon or a C that is back to front. This is a joining symbol, which we will cover in our next Noorani Qaida lesson, inshallah. I look forward to having you with me in the next video. Love and salams.